Hello everyone, hello students. Once again I am with you with a new video, number system part 2 on the topic rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let us start. Dear students, in number system we learn to express numbers, and numbers are very important in our daily life. We cannot imagine our life without numbers. And the numbers that we use in our daily life are real numbers. Real numbers are those numbers that can be expressed or represented on the number line. This is a straight line on which there are infinitely many points, and every point represents a number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the left side of 0 there are negative numbers, and these all numbers are real numbers. These numbers are expressed, are represented on the number line, therefore these numbers are real numbers. Students, real numbers are of two types: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers. The word rational, it came from the word ratio. Ratio of two integers. That is, rational numbers are in the form of P and Q, where P and Q are integers, but Q, it should not be 0. So numbers that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q, these two should be integers, but Q, it should not be 0, are called rational numbers. For example, all natural numbers, that is counting numbers, 1, it can be written as 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equivalent to 1, and when we write 1 in the form of 4 by 4, that is, we write 1 in the form of P and Q, P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q, you can see here Q is not equal to 0, therefore it is a rational number. 0, it can also be written as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, or 0 by 5. We can express 0 in the form of P by Q. Therefore, 0 is also a rational number. But 5 by 0 is not a rational number, because in 5 by 2, its denominator, that is value of Q, is 0. But in rational number P by Q, Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, 5 by 0 is not a rational number. Also, integers are rational number. For example, when we write minus 5, minus 5, it is equivalent to minus 10 by 2, minus 15 by 3. When we write minus 5 in the form of minus 10 by 2, that is, we express minus 5 in the form of P by Q, where P and Q, minus 10 and 2 are integers. Therefore, minus 5 is also a rational number. Now see, what are irrational numbers? Irrational. Irrational means not rational. Irrational, it is opposite of rational. That is, irrational numbers are not equal to p by q. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. For example, pi. Pi, it is not equal to 3.14 here 22 by 7. Only for our ease of calculation, we take its value equals to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Therefore, pi, it cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. So, pi is an irrational number. It is not a rational number. Root 2. Root 2, only for our ease of calculation, we take its value equals to 1.414. In fact, root 2, it is not equal to 1.414. That is, root 2 cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Therefore, we can say that root 2 is also an irrational number. Similarly, root 3, we take its value equals to 1.732, but only for our calculation. In fact, root 3, it is not equal to 1.732. Root 3, it is approximately taken equal to 1.732. Root 3, it is not equal to 1.732. That is, root 3 is not in the form of p by q. Therefore, root 3 is also an irrational number. Pi, root 2, root 3, these all are examples of irrational numbers because these numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Let us quick view of real numbers, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. This circle represents natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. This circle represents whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by W. Whole numbers are natural numbers along with 0. So 0 is excluded here. 0 is not included in natural number. That is, we can say all whole numbers are not natural numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. This is a circle representing integer, and integers are represented by I or Z. I for integer, but students see it is integers are also represented by Z because the word integers in German language are called Zahlen, are taken from the word Zahlen. That's why integers are represented by Z, and integers are collections of natural numbers, 0 and negatives of natural numbers. And this is a circle representing rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by Q because rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. That is, rational numbers are quotient of P and Q. Rational numbers are quotient of P and Q. Therefore, rational numbers are represented by the first letter of quotient Q. And rational numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and these fractional numbers. So, in this way, all natural numbers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not natural numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers, but all whole numbers are not whole numbers. Similarly, all integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers. There is another set of numbers, and that is irrational numbers. And irrational numbers are those numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. For example, pi, root 2, root 3, etc. That is a square root of imperfect, a square, cube root of imperfect cubes are examples of irrational numbers because these cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. And these numbers together are called real numbers. Real numbers which are represented by letter R. That is, real numbers are rational numbers, also irrational numbers. Means real numbers is a set of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Dear students, we will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it. Till then, be safe, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.